Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Inner Sun. Today I have a quick yoga class to relieve tension from your neck and your shoulders area. Today's class we don't need a yoga mat, you just need to be on your chair or sitting somewhere comfortable. Before we get started, if you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so we can continue making these videos for you guys. And also I want to let you know that starting next month we're gonna start having our live yoga classes, so make sure you follow our link and you can sign up on the link there. We're gonna go ahead and start with cat cow, so find a comfortable seat. Gonna scooch to the side here, you can see, so you can see how it looks. Find a comfortable seat. Start by tuning into your breathing. Sit tall, imagining the crown of your head reaching to the sky overhead. On the next inhale, pop the chest forward. Exhale, round the spine. Move slowly with your breath. Allow your breath to bring you back to your center as you move your spine. Inhale, bring the chest forward. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Continue with this motion about 3 to 5 more rounds on your own. Connect with your breath. Move slowly and gently. Excellent. Go ahead and bring your spine back to neutral. From here, start by dropping your right ear towards the right shoulder. And bring the chin to chest. Left ear to left shoulder. You can use your hand here to support your head. I know the neck area, at least for me, can get a little sensitive. So you want to be gentle and move slowly. Go ahead and continue with this movement. Continue with the circle. Follow your breathing. You can close the eyes if that feels comfortable and safe for you. And when you are done with this direction, go ahead and switch. Many of us hold our tension in our neck, shoulders, and the back of our head. So today we're gonna get through and melt the stress in those areas. Breathe here. Excellent. Go ahead, bring back the head to center. Drop the right ear towards the right shoulder. Bring your palm on top of the head. Feel the stretch along the left side of the neck. Breathe here. Breathe into those tight spots on the left side of the neck. Now place the hands at the back of your head. and gaze towards the right armpit. Feel the stretch along the back side of the neck now. Breathe here. Slow down the thoughts. Allow it to pass just like clouds in the sky. Slowly bring the head back to center with your hand. Now we're gonna switch side. Drop the left ear towards the left shoulder. Feeling the stretch and the opening on the right side of the neck. Breathe into those tight spots and corners. Breathe deep from the base of your spine. Now place the hand at the back of your head. Gaze towards the left armpit. Feel the stretch along the back side of the neck now. Deep breath. Excellent. Bring the head back to center. Gently interlace your fingertips behind your back. I'm gonna show it to you how it looks from the back. Bring the head into center. Bring the chin to chest. Bring the elbows together. Breathe here. Allow the stress to just melt. Use your breath to release any tension, any thoughts that no longer serves you. I like to remind myself that I am not my thoughts. Sometimes when we don't feel good, we tend to cling on to our thoughts that may not have our best interest in the long run. Breathe here. Perhaps move head side to side, just small micro movements. Excellent. Bring the head back up. From here, we're gonna do a side bend on our chair. So place the right palm on the side of the chair. Bring left fingertips overhead. Allow the right shoulders to drop away from the right ear. Ground both of your sit bones here. Breathe. Feel the stretch along the left side of the body. Excellent. Come back to center. Go ahead and switch side. Follow your breathing. Feel the opening on the entire right side of the body. Allow the right hip to fully ground down onto your chair. Excellent. Bring hand back to center. From here, go ahead and interlace your fingertips behind your back. Bring shoulder blades together. Bring the chest forward, tighten the core. If that feels comfortable, go ahead and lift the palms off of the back also, just like so. Continue with your breath. Relax your jaws. Relax the back of your neck. Excellent. Go ahead and release. From here, we're gonna roll our shoulders back. Small micro movement, whatever feels good in this moment for you. Follow your breath. Go ahead and switch direction. Roll them forward. Excellent. From here, we're gonna do eagle arms or hug. You can hug yourself also. So place the right arm on top of the left arm. Hug yourself here. Or if cactus arm, sorry, if eagle arm is within your practice, you could also do eagle arm. It's your choice. Take a deep breath, feeling yourself hugging you in this moment. I like to tell myself really good affirmations in this pose, thanking my body for living, doing my purpose, helping me living my purpose on this earth. Thanking my body to take me to work. And do the best that I can every single day. Excellent. Go ahead and switch side. Now the right arm underneath the left arm. And if eagle arm is your choice today, you could do so as well. Connect with your breath. Connect with gratitude for the body. Excellent. Go ahead and release. Roll your wrists. Bring the palms up, overhead. Exhale, ground it down. 2 more time. Inhale up. Exhale down. One last one. Inhale up. Bring palms together in front of your heart. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me today, practicing some self-love for our neck and our shoulders area. Again, if you end up by benefiting and liking this video, please remember to subscribe, like, and share the video around. And if you have any question, go ahead and leave them on the comment section below. And until next time, I wish you a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Namaste.